Hey, welcome. I'm going to show you how to set up your character animation using poses in Set.a.light 3D. I've got this character here and I want him to be running across the path. So to do that, I'm going to come over to Robert, click on animation, click on the running man icon, and I'm going to scroll down and look for jogging. There it is. I'll drag it onto the timeline. I'm going to close that window. And then you'll see he's now running, but he's running in place. That means that we also need to animate the position. So I'm going to set a keyframe at the start, and we're going to move out a little bit to have a look. With my playhead at the end, I'm going to slide him to his new position and click position again. And you can see now he's moving, but it's not quite right. That's because these keyframes are Bezier. We need to set that to linear by right-clicking on each keyframe. And there we go. Simple as that. Animate the camera. I'm going to render this out and I'll show you how it looks at the end.